Hello, it's us, sitting on a train and going to Munich for a very special reason. This time we attended Adele's concert in Munich. Before that, we had to deal with the local ticket system though, which seems to be pretty complicated with those multiple zones. What we found out is that if you are staying in the city of Munich, you'll be in the zone M. Maybe it will be helpful to someone. After a short ride, we reached the arena. We came like 3 hours before the concert, or maybe even earlier, and it was pretty full already, but we still could move around relatively easy. The arena was built specifically for Adele and has a capacity of 80,000 people. There is also a so-called Adele World that surrounds the arena. Mainly all spots sell food and drinks, and there are also a couple of merch shops and a Ferris wheel and even a karaoke. We had some street food and went to the arena to take our seats. I had an impression that they were allocated a bit randomly, at least during the pre-sale. And after an hour or so, the performance began.
Everything they see the time's supposed to heal you. I am not much healing. Hello, can you hear me? Tap your name, but I'm guessing that's the reason that you strayed. I heard you were missing me, telling people things you shouldn't be. Because Wednesday it was a torrential downpour and the crowd are a 20 out of 10. So are you going to be good? Are you going to be a good crowd for me? Why haven't we been through the
from my Vegas shows, because every night in Vegas there is at least half of the room. It's a very small room, it's like 4,000 people, but every single night there's at least 2,000 people that come from Mexico. And there's lots here tonight as well. This is my first ever bride one though, I love her. Thank you so much. Oh my God, look at her rock. Crikey. Oh, let's put her there. You can enjoy the show, my darling. Right, let me get a sip. Thank you, my darling. I am looking for somebody. Oh my Lord, I'm sweating tits off already. I'd rather sweat than be wet. Well, that sounds a bit dirty, doesn't it? I'd rather sweat than be wet. So, hello. First of all, I know I have some friends in the audience tonight. I just don't know where they are. Where are my friends? I know I'm looking at all of you, but I want to find them at some point because I'm homesick. Right. Okay, let's have a look. Who can we bring? Who's getting my attention? Let's have a look. I'm going to bring that lady up with a sparkly two-piece. Yes, you. Come on up. You were doing the most. It was amazing. Come on up. Climb on up in their I said I'm looking for someone to get me attention. You've got it. Come on up. You look lovely. I love that two-piece. Oh, yeah. Come on, babe. So you're fun. Come on. Give me that energy. Back here, my love. Up the stairs. There we go. Come on up. Hello. Come on. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? You're British, I can tell.
No, I'm Irish.
Oh, you're Irish. Yes, Irish. I expect you to be Irish as well. Come here. What's your name?
Paula.
Paula. And who are you here with tonight? I know this. Where have they gone? They've gone back down. Who are you here with?
My husband Frank.
Your husband Frank. What one's Frank? In the white top? Oh, I see him.
He's getting me Prosecco.
So he's not there. He's out there. Frank from Ireland. I've got your crazy wife Paula up here with me. How many Proseccos have you had, Paula?
1 or 2.
1 or 2, you figure. You're lovely. I'm getting drunk after the show tonight. When did you get to Munich?
We got to Frankfurt yesterday.
Oh, lovely.
And then we got the train down to Munich last night.
And whereabouts in
A little place called Kildare.
Munich? I've never heard of that. What's it
It's in the bog.
in the bar? What's it near where I might know?
Dublin.
Oh, near Dublin. Okay, well I know that. But has someone got your phone? Did you give somebody your phone? No, I think you walked a long way. Here he is. Let's come up here, Paula, and we will get a picture. You're the most exciting person I think I've ever had on stage. But you know what? If it was Beyonce, I'd be the same. So what did I say? Get the camera, pose. Is that Frank? Oh, he is back. Yes. You saw the whole thing. Okay, you got the whole thing. Right. Oh my God, find your sunglasses. Sorry, I could use them because the lights are so bright. Okay, well they're a bit small for my big head. Right, and how long are you in Munich for? When do you go home?
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay, lovely. All right, well, so do I. I have a goodie bag here for you. Let's go get it. It's got some merch bits in it. It's got some merch bits, and it's got a signed programme from me. Oh, I love you too, Paula. You're a right laugh. You are. You're amazing. There you go. Be careful of the steps. No, I've got red lipstick on my fucking face. I've got red lipstick? No. Okay, thank God. Go on, go on. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Be careful going down there. Don't hurt yourself. Be careful. I don't want red lipstick on my face. 1 minute. Anthony, babes, could you come and wipe the lipstick off my face? I don't wear red lipstick. Yoo-hoo! Cooey! Cooey! There's no one here. Ben, do you want to wipe it off? Just because my face is like 100 foot in the air. Oh my God, he knocked my earring out. Fucking hell, this is chaos. There we go. Okay. Here, this is Anthony, everybody. Say hello to Anthony. It's my mate party. Only because we're only like 6 songs in, and I've got like 20 odd songs for you. And I don't want to have a big red lipstick. I want your lipstick mark on me though, Paula, don't get me wrong. Oh no, I can't get my fucking earring back in. Okay, that will do. It's alright, they're just beads, they're nothing precious. But yeah, you know, look how big my face is up here. You don't want to have every photograph of me looking like I've been having an affair, do you? Hello. Hello. Make yourself known when I come back. Hello.
The same way as I did, missing out the cracks in the pavement and tightening my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you? Is there anyone I could call? No, and thank you, please, but there I ain't lost, just wondering. From my hometown, many memories fresh. From my hometown, the people I've met. All the wonders of my world. All the wonders of my world. All the wonders of this world. All the wonders of my world. We stay.